because, well, you can't see my face anymore, so. Oh, let's see. So that's okay. I mean, I can probably figure that part out later. Back to the game. Continue. Continue. I've got. Do I have any? Why do not? I have barely any. Tab. No. Barely any in-game sound. Again. Let me go to audio. I got it at 80% and I can't hear shit.
Okay.
No.
Is that...
Oh,
That's in the options under 7 Days to Die?
Yeah, I can hear some things now. That's a little better. I don't know if anybody can see and hear me.
Alright, hang on.
I'm going to get some feedback.
What?
Yep, it shows that I got it going across my stream.
Well, that's fine. Go and look at mine.
Okay.
I'll look at yours.
Let me see. I'm going to do this. Okay, let's see. Mr. Ziffel.
Yep. I see you. I hear you. Everything's fine.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, that's fine.
Yep.
Go and look at mine.
I got yours. I'm going to turn yours down and watch yours. You turn...
Okay.
At least we...
Yeah, let's do that.
At least that way we each have somebody, watching.
Yeah. We're not paying attention to each other.
Right. And then I guess I'm just going to run over to this house and get killed by a zombie real quick. Because we're going to just check and see if it's working, right?
Yep.
And we're going to log off and check our recording.
Yep.
Oh, man. I'm already doing really well at this. This one.
Well, that's because it's not set up like what we've got.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And this is Navsgain. It's the boring map.
Can I break this? Oh, yeah.
How far? Oh, you're real close to the trader, you asshole. Well, you're closer than I am, anyway.
It doesn't really matter. I'm just about to go in here and get killed. And then
Well, why would you do such a stupid thing?
And then log off so I can check my video. I'm out of stamina.
I see.
Hey. No. That's all right. Oh yeah, and there's new zombies coming at me, and I'm beating them like mad. New journal, stealth. I have no idea. I have no stealth.
Huh. So you're 1.6 kilometers away from the trader. I'm well, you're 1.6 kilometers from me. I'm 1.1 kilometer from the trader.
Burn!
You eliminated yourself?
Pretty well.
I can't hear you.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Your Discord messed up again.
Oh,